To make this year different. Hi, Dave Wilkins, Wolverine Business Solutions. So here we are, halfway through January, and like most of us business owners, I'll bet you're facing a mixed bag of opportunities and challenges from last year that have yet to be resolved. But what are your plans for this new year? Whether you're thinking about expanding your company, upping its value, or even mulling over a future sale or retirement, having a solid plan is crucial. And unless last year was super successful, no change is not a plan. That's running on autopilot. So let's explore some opportunities and challenges that may or may not be on your radar screen, and I'll offer some insights on how to tackle them. Let's start with some opportunities to consider. First, building a strong business development pipeline. The strength of your business often lies in the health of your client or customer pipeline. Do you have a robust lineup of potential clients? What's your plan to fill your pipeline and move the prospects through to closing deals? Number two, look for new revenue streams. What are you doing to identify and build new revenue streams? Introducing innovative products or services catering to both your existing and prospective customers will keep your customers happy and keep you ahead of your competition. Don't fall for the trap thinking that you have nothing new to offer. Let your mind wander and reach out to others for ideas, like your current and future competitors are doing. Number three, building recurring revenue. Turn your customers into subscribers. Make it super easy for your customers to buy what they need from you on a regular schedule without having to think about it. You can make your customers' lives a lot easier and can create stability and predictability in your income. You would be surprised some of the creative ways that you can do this. Okay, so now on to the challenges. One, are you suffering from stagnant growth? If your business feels like it's stuck in a rut, it's time to shake some things up. Many businesses encounter periods of stagnation. Now is the time to analyze your current strategies, identify bottlenecks, and adopt innovative approaches to rekindle growth and maintain competitiveness. Number two, feeling uncertainty? In a rapidly changing world, it's okay to feel a bit unsure. What's important is having clear goals and adaptable plans to steer your business through these uncertain waters. It starts with identifying the possible things that can happen and have plans in place in case they do. And number three, maintaining profitability. Keeping those profits up can be a challenge, especially with market shifts and competition. Regularly review your costs, pricing, and operations to keep your financial ship afloat. While these opportunities and challenges may not be yours, here are some keys to success that apply to any situation. First, strategic planning. Clearly define your goals and create actionable plans to achieve them. Be open to revising your strategies to remain in sync with your business's evolving needs. Two, holistic business analysis. Take a comprehensive view of your business that goes beyond just the financial aspects. Consider customer satisfaction, employee engagement, and operational excellence as integral components. Number three, technology integration. Take advantage of technology to grow revenue, streamline your operations, and enhance customer experiences. Just don't go overboard and have a solid plan. Number four, financial optimization. Continually evaluate your financial strategies and seek expert guidance when needed to make informed financial decisions that drive profitability, growth, and value. So whether you're excited about your expansion or grappling with uncertainty, Wolverine Business Solutions is here to provide tailored solutions that align with your unique needs and aspirations. Let's join forces and make this year an extraordinary year for your business. Give us a call or schedule a consultation today using the links below. And together, we'll navigate your journey ahead with confidence. Thanks for watching.